Deacair is Mrs. Shik-een. Hi, I'm Shik-een from Bite-Size Irish Gaelic. And today I'm bringing you a variety of Irish tongue twisters. The Irish for tongue twister is rabhlóg or koss-uk-ul. Now, let's learn some row-lohg-ah or koss-uk-ul. Here's a nice simple one. Is jak-ur, stuk-ah, strok-ah, trasna. Is jak-ur, stuk-ah, strok-ah, trasna. Is jak-ur, stuk-ah, strok-ah, trasna. It's hard to tear a stocking across. Ná bach le machan wok-ee is ní wok-ee machan wok-ee leat. Ná bach le machan wok-ee is ní wok-ee machan wok-ee leat. Don't bother the tramp's son, and the tramp's son won't bother you. Faire, far-ih-gukh, ag faire na farraige foo-ih-reh. Faire, far-ih-gukh, ag faire na farraige foo-ih-reh. An angry man watching the cold sea. Cheannaigh cailín cliste ceanúil císte. Cheannaigh cailín cliste ceanúil císte. A clever kind girl bought a cake. Seacht shik-een in a shass-uv sa shnokh-ah lá shok-ah. Seacht shik-een in a shass-uv sa shnokh-ah lá shok-ah. 7 chickens standing in the snow on a frosty day. Clog beag bug ag bugga a bheag a mhór. Clog beag bug ag bugga a bheag a mhór. It's not the easiest to say. A small soft bell moving a bit. Hui kenny knesta tlishta har chlai crua chloch. Kenny Hui kenny knesta tlishta har chlai crua chloch. Hui kenny knest no, it's a tough one. Hui kenny knesta tlishta har chlai crua chloch. A clever kind buyer went over a hard stone wall. Bhí class críanna classach ag classí crua tlishta. That was surprisingly easy. A hard, clever trickster had a crafty, cunning trick. Carcig piocca píbar de flata feather. Carcig piocca píbar de flata feather. A hen picking pepper from Peter's plate. Probably tougher to say in English, to be honest. Buska brisky meska no buska meska brisky. A box of assorted biscuits or an assorted box of biscuits. This one seems to be a play on grammar. Now the next one is more like an ad for a seaweed company. Foster fatti fadde gefarsing le femen. Foster fatti fadde gefarsing le femen. Long potatoes are widely grown with seaweed. Glan feargach a íochla le tís feargach. Glan feargach a íochla le tís feargach. Feargach brushed his teeth with toothpaste. In Irish you say you clean your teeth instead of brushing them. Feargach is by his name. Now I'll finish up with my personal favourite. G dav dov ov av arnev. G dav dov ov of nev. You could also pronounce it though it doesn't work as well. G dav do ov of nev. A black ox ate a raw egg in heaven. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to learn more Irish, why not take a free trial of Bite-Size Irish Gaelic at www.bitesize.irish.